I just found an electric boat winch on Marketplace. On my way to pick it up now. I'm here in Harvey Bay. Just come down to the harbour to have a look at these boats. That's what I want. Or that. So much money just sitting there.
Today, we're with our dad and we picked up a winch and we got to put an Anderson plug on our power cable. There we go.
What we need to do now is we're going to melt solder into here and just fill it right to the top. Okay, heat off. Enough.
It actually is melting from the bottom. What? Look! It's melting from the It's sticking!
One. Got to get it liquid.
Liquefy.
Okay, off.
Dad, liquid is a rhyming word. Liquid. That's a rhyme.
Make sure you don't touch the alligator clips because they're hot. Next step. Red, positive. Black, negative. Positive and negative. You can see they've got a little nib there. That nib will click on the metal piece inside here. So you just push them in and they click into place.
The little knife is
Click.
very sharp.
Click. We forgot one step. Forgot the heat shrink. Let's go back and we'll do that. So now we're going to put some heat shrink. So we need about that much solution. Don't cut my fingers. Now cut another piece in the red, the same length. Okay, slide them onto the correct sides. All right, now we're going to heat those up and shrink them. Okay, can I have the... Thank you. Always hold towards your mate. Don't do that.
Don't put it in your face.
Turn it around, Lucian. Okay, this one. Move your fingers back.
Oh, bang it.
Turn it.
Roasting a chicken.
Okay, next step, Lucian.
Click it in. There we go. And black.
Both in.
There.
Happy?
Yep.
Now to test them, we're just going to put these lugs on this one and use some batteries that I have here, and we can test out if the winch works. Separate them. Some cable strippers. More. Should go in there. Clean up as you go. Give them a twist. Crimper. Crimped. Just going to get a little bit more of the sheath off this one. You don't want to twist too. Put your lug on. Crimper. Just like that. Give them a little nip up. I know these are charged, so that won't be an issue. So we have our power, we have our Anderson plugs on both ends, our power cable running to the winch, and our hand controller. Moment of truth. If this doesn't go well, it was nice knowing you all. No explosions. That's a good start. Just sit that there. Is it going to work? Are we ready? That's a no. Hang on, let me check the plugs. Oh, let's go back a step and make sure you put the plugs in. Silly Dad.
This is how you open it.
One plug in. Second plug in. Okay, let's try again. Are we ready? Still nothing.
Oh, man.
Let's do some troubleshooting. So we're going to check if there's power there through our connections. So grab yourself a multimeter. Can you see that, Lucian? Do you want to hold that?
Yep.
Yeah, hold it tight, Laura. 1, 2. No voltage?
No, 0, 0, 0.
Okay, so what we need to do is have a look back here.
Looks like the red one's a bit out on this one.
So what we're going to do, we'll check if there's power here. Okay, we've got a reading there, so we know there's power there. Plug them back in. This one was a little bit loose. Plug these back in. Have a look here. No voltage there. Might not be hitting those pins actually. Let's just plug it in. Laura, pull that tight. Hold it tight.
It's going in. That's correct. That power thing was making the string go in.
Alright, just check these connections. Let's try it. Pull that tight, Laura. Okay, well that's supposed to be in, but it's going out, which means it's wired backwards, which is quite an easy fix. We can just swap them around and it should go the correct direction. So we'll do that. We'll swap the cables. Bob's your uncle. Okay, Lucian, let's swap those cables over. You need some help?
Maybe. Or do I just hold it up a little bit?
Let me help you. There we go. We got it. So we're going to swap that into the other side. Click. Click. Power's back on. Okay, so this should be in, so it should wind the winch in. Pull tight, Laura. No, we've got a power issue again.
We keep on getting power issues.
Or Fruit Loops.
I hope this is gonna work.
Hmm.
For our boat. For our boat. For our boat.
Okay, in.
Chicken nugget.
It's not a chicken nugget. It's a naughty nugget.
Yeah, I'm disappointed.
This one's not. Can I have those pliers?
These ones.
I don't know why it's working. Not working. I don't know why it's not working.
Pull it tight. We're going in.
It's pulling it.
That's what it's meant to do.
We have a working winch. There we go.
Now we got it working.
The last step is putting all our tools away for the next time. This one goes up here. This one over there. This one all the way up here. This one over here. And that one there.
So, next step is we'll mount it on the trailer. Can't see any issues with it pulling the boat in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Tune into the next episode where we will remove the old winch from the trailer and install the new winch. Cheers, guys.